Now that we are passing through the cathedral, the rain still basa-basa kita rin ulanan ni. Nakadako ako ang gigalang payo. And so pretty today. Pretty pa more. Oh. Kaya sa sarong matagak sa orang. Hello girls. My friend, nanay. Ako pasilong. Giraa. Hi. Hi nanay. Wala pa. Oh, cross the street. My goodness, basaan na ako. Tuloy pa more. Tuloy pa. Sarap ni uwan raman eh. Ang nabasa, mauga raman po. It's my office. I'm so near. Okay? That is the cathedral. And our building is across the cathedral. Okay. Ha. Survive. Ha? Wala naman eh.